It was a conceptual issue at first. If the reason properties of a black hole demand that time and space are non-existent within a black hole, then how could a simple atom, let's use a hydrogen atom for example, enter the black hole? An atom represents energy in the form of matter. Matter exists only in the realm of time and space. If matter were to enter a black hole, would it not create a paradox of sorts? I was certain that there must be smaller particles in the atom nucleus that we cannot see. In searching for answers to this question, I was led to an old argument. In 1935, New York Times, there was a recorded bickering between science's two most influential persons of the 20th and 21st century, Albert Einstein and Nikola Tesla. Tesla contended the nucleus of our hydrogen atom contained elements that could not be seen, which hold the spherical nucleus together. The proton and neutrons were a result of activities inside. However, Tesla underestimated the potential of the atom. Tesla's concept of the atom completes Einstein's quantum theory. This would be relevant, as this would prove that energy could enter and possibly return and reformat its design when black holes create galaxies. Let's move from 1935 to 2010, when CERN, the Hadron Atom Collider in a vacuum environment, upon colliding atoms, discovered that the atom's nucleus did contain other particles, bosons, quarks, and photons. To further add, in 2011, Stephen Hawking presented us with black hole radiation, theorized to be located at the mouth of the black hole as the result of separation of materials from atoms, forming strangelets. Strangelets are atoms that do not hold the same properties as normal atoms. This now proves that atoms do remove particles prior to entering black holes. This is very relevant to us, as firstly we must consider the shape of our universe, which, while fractal mathematics is currently answering, the shape can easily be determined by a question. In which direction and rate is the universe expanding? If you thought all directions at the same rate of expansion, then the shape would without any doubt be spherical. And as we know from the properties of particle physics, the black hole creates and destroys all galaxies within our universe by means of a simple transference of energy to matter. A sphere that contains a continuous self-contained energy transfer must hold a positive and negative charge outside of the nucleus, resulting in a force that holds the containment of the sphere. Another term for our universe that could be used is a large atom that is made of countless atoms, and by logic, if you were able to observe our universe from the outside, you would see that it would bond with countless atoms to form yet another. The process would have no end. Although this is not final proof of existence of our energies post-death, it most certainly places humanity well on the path. Most likely, once we're able to measure the energies inside the nucleus of the atom, we will experience both the benefits and the pitfalls of understanding how and why the universe works the way it does. As for a process of self-contained energy transfer, our universe is simply perfection. The next issue, the theory of perpetual energy part 2, alternate frequencies, the multi-layered universe.